In this video, I'm going to show you how you can group items or objects in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now I have here these three images and I'd like to go ahead and group them. Currently, they are not grouped and I can just move any of them to any location and you can see they're not moved together. However, I like to go ahead and group them such that if I move any, they will all move. To do that, it is quite simple. First, head over to your keyboard and press down the Shift key. Then select all the objects that you want to group while holding down the Shift key. And now you can see we have a continuous selection of all the three. Once you're done, release the Shift key and right click on any of the images and then choose this option called Group. So if you click on Group, now here, if I click on any of this, you can see I can move them and they are all together whenever I move them. So that's how you can group images or objects in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.